is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Now today I'm going to be installing a Strutking pedal on my RSX Type S. Now this should work on any year and model RSX beef and bass Type S, probably even the Type Rs. It should work on it. So yeah, but I haven't really touched the interior of my car. I haven't really done anything to it except for the shift knob. That video came out like a year ago, I want to say. So yeah, so this is like the second mod. Well, I really don't want to say it's a modification, but it'll spice up a little bit on the interior on my RSX. So yeah, so I'm very excited. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install it. So here we go. Alright, so here's the box I came in with, guys. Putting on the beautiful jade green metallic RSX paint. Hope it doesn't ruin my paint. I don't think it will. But yeah, here's the box I came in with. Those are the pedals. And yeah, so some of you guys know that I actually do live with my grandmother, and then my grandmother actually got me as a Christmas gift. So props to her. Thank you so much, Grandma. I don't think she's watching my videos, but yeah, thank you, Grandma. Love you so much. Thank you so much. So yeah, just wanted to tell her that, even though she probably just not watching my videos. But so these are the screw that came with. Gas, brakes, and clutch, it doesn't matter which one is which because they're both the same. But one of them, it comes with the drill bit, and then also the footrest part. So yeah, these are all the screws. And yeah, and also tools that you're gonna need is Phillips screwdriver, and also you're gonna need a 7mm 6-side socket. And hopefully I didn't lose that one. No, it's right there. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna probably need a punch, and then a hammer. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off doing it from the footrest here. So it slides in perfectly, just like that. So yeah, wow, nice, very beautiful. So yeah, I guess I just need to drill those holes in, and then, cause yeah, it slides in perfectly. So yeah, let's do that. Alright guys, so the next step what you want to do is you want to remove these rubber cover, I guess you want to call it. But yeah, you want to pull these out. I can't really do it with my left hand because I got injured with my left hand, so still healing up. Let me use my right hand. So it should come off like that. So yeah, it's like a little cover piece. Same on the brake here. There you go. So yeah, easy peasy, just like that. Alright, so the next step is you want to mark it down, and then I guess punch it, and then drill it in. So yeah, so I'm gonna mark it down. Should be a mark. Alright, yeah, there it is. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Also, I got the 2x4s ready, so there you go. So it doesn't, damage the carpet underneath. So I just hold there while I'm drawing it in. There you go. Next step, I'm gonna tap it. Nice. There you go. Those are the 3 holes. So I'm gonna tighten it down. That is perfect. Dude, that looks hella good. Oh my god. Alright, this might be a better angle, honestly. So I'm gonna try this angle. Fuck, come on, light. Alright, perfect. Nicely went in. Beautiful. Ugh. Jesus Christ. Christ, it's such a tight space. Like, there's literally no room. It's very hard, but you'll figure it out, I'll say. So. No wiggle or anything moving, it's nice and tightened down. Sheesh, man. So far I'm drilling these 2 holes, trying to figure out, because there is a metal plate underneath of that, so I'm assuming you just have to drill it out. So yeah, we'll see how's this gonna go. But alright, that's that. God damn, there's a crap ton of metal shavings. I'm definitely gonna have to vacuum that out. But yeah. Ooh, look at that. So I guess you did have to drill in. Ooh. God damn, dude. You guys gonna struggle, first timers. Let me tell you that. So the bottom 2, I heard, is just where it's really gonna be really hard. The top 2 is gonna be fine, I heard. So that was the bottom 2. So yeah, as you guys can see. Oh my god, this is ass, dude. Alright, so I'm gonna drill the bottom 2 holes a little bit more. I don't think it will go all the way through. That's gonna take a while. Might as well just drill the top ones out too. Because why the hell not? Oh man. Alright, that was easy. So that's that. That's that. Now I should just screw in. Alright, yeah. I guess that was it. Nice, nicely done. Holy cow. Actually, that looks really good. Whew, okay, that wasn't too bad, actually. But it is still pain in the ass. It doesn't wiggle or anything. Nice. Donezo. Alright guys, finally I got it installed. King strut pedals on my RSX Type S. That's the footrest right there. Probably the easiest one. And then clutch and brakes, which was okay actually. It wasn't too bad. Compared to this guy right here, gas was the hardest one, what everyone was saying. So what I did was I pretty much didn't drill. So the bottom 2, I didn't drill all the way in. The bottom 2, I pretty much had to test fit how far the screw can go in, and then pretty much when it flushed out without the new pedal, just a rubber piece, when it flushed out, that's when I install the little king strut pedal on that little bad boy. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I'm just really tired right now. I'm so tired. It's so late at night too, so I'm really tired. I had to work early this morning too, so I'm just really tired. I'm sorry guys. I'm trying to do my best to explain it to you guys. But anyways, the top 2 was easy. I just drilled it out. So pretty much drilling it out on the gas pedal. Drill the top 2 out. Easy money right there. The bottom 2, it's gonna take a while. I'm just letting you guys that know. And you don't drill these 2 all the way out, unless if you want to. It's gonna take a long time. Just letting you guys that know. So it is possible, but there's a thick ass plate underneath there. So oh boy, but it is installed. It looks really good actually. I love it. I really do love it. It's definitely worth it actually for 60 bucks. It's not bad. It is Chinese made. It's cheap, but yeah, it looks really good. Hope it doesn't, break off on me. That's the only problem. So alright guys, so that'll do it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful installing Strutking pedals on my RSX Type S. I really hope this video was helpful. I'm not trying to be right or wrong, installing a pedal or installing any other parts. Honestly, I'm just trying to bring out content, and I really hope you guys enjoy the content, and I'm just trying to help you guys out and pretty much showing what I'm doing to the RSX. So that's a normal thing. And then yeah, if you guys hate my content, well, guess what, let me tell you something. Haters gonna be haters, alright? So you guys are gonna just keep hating, and then guess what, that's fine with me. I don't care. And then lovers are gonna be lovers. And then guess what? I might marry you if you love me too much. So, love you long time, love you so much. So, yeah, that's just a Asian saying. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just so tired, guys. But anyways, guys, I hope this video is helpful. Hopefully one day I'll be up there like all the rest of the automotive YouTuber that are up there. So hopefully one day I'll make it. So that's my goal in my life. And then YouTube, hopefully I can just work on cars every day like the rest of the YouTubers. So rest of the car enthusiast YouTubers, I should say. So, but yeah, other than that, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, dude, what the hell are you doing, man? There's more RSX content that's coming. So hit the subscribe button. Other than that, guys, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.